Birthday to you. Tinan mo naman, oh. Tinan mo naman yan. Okay ba? Mukha siyang 19. Di na mukhang 18 ang yabang. Buiset. Brown din siya. Naka-brown din siya. Colorful ka talaga, Katrina.
Birthday ko eh. Aww.
Baho na?
Ba't isa lang?
Pati ka wala.
Joke lang.
Kaya naman tatlo yan, oh.
Oo, kala ko isa lang kasi isa yun.
Isa lang yung nakita.
Ay, Carl! O, dali! Dito na tayo!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Katrina. Happy birthday to you.
Wala na kayo 21!
Yay!
Ay, kumain ka na.
Tama lang yung kaka-audition mo. Happy birthday!
Uy, kanta muna tayo happy birthday.
Dali, hanap kayo happy birthday.
Happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Energy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday ka ta.
Waiting ka na! Ayos ka na!
Hindi na kasi tunog eh.
Siyempre yung boses mo yung lalakasan mo, di ba?
Seems nothing ever changes. Back to being strangers. Wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door.
Kanta na kasi, Jo.
No, Mita.
Just once, can we figure out what we kept doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Interpretive tayo. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could get to it. No, we could break through it. Araw.
Sandal ka dyan, no? Para kita ka rin.
I give my all, but I think my all may have been too much. Lord knows we're not going anywhere. Seems we're always whatever we got going.
Posible,
Seems the time we all we got. We haven't got a friend. Just once, can we figure out what we can do wrong? One times never last for long. What are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?
Sinabi niya yun, right? Ano si Jojo? Gwapo-gwapo.
I know we could get through it. We could just get to it just once. I hope you understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can we give ourselves a hand? And admit to one another when the good each other. Make the best, make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just one. Can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last more than just one. I know we could break through it. We could just get to it just once.
Sabi? Bakit?
Whoa, we can get to it just once.
Woo! Lupet! Galing!
I see you, Scaramouche, when you do that tango,
Very, very frightening me, Galileo, 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 Galileo.
Poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family. He's life from his mom's tragedy. Let me go, Bismillah. No, we will not let you go. Let you go, let you go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. We will not let you go. Never, never, never let you go. No. Mamma mia, for me, for me.
Warm smell of cookies rising up the distance. I saw light. When I said goodie, I had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway. A candle, and she showed.
Ulit! Mali! Ulit!
There were voices on the phone. I thought I heard them say, "Welcome to Hotel California." Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place.
Andrew. O para yan o. Kung magic kasi, tanggalin ko sa salamin mo ha. Sige. 1, 2, oh, di ba? Stigo no? What the heck? Stigo no? Ay, babalik ko. 1, 2, 3. Oh, napunta kay Joshua pala. Oh, mali.
Dapat sa akin.
Parang corny lang kapag ginagawa, pero pag pinad niya astig. Okay. Sige. Just.
Bakit?
Ganda niya na. Hindi sa'yo yan, tatanggalin ko yan sa'yo. 1, 2, 3. Oh, mali! Naging si Andrew pala. Buko pula.
Issue na yan, Jojo. Baka mawala ka na bukas, ha?
Jojo, huwag ka matulog.
Damn, Mateo!
Yun yung sa
Jojo,
loob
break
yun.
tayo mo, break mo.
Lahat naman dito po.
Mabrip mo.
Jojo, kailangan mo yung naman para malaki.
Bye-bye.
Tutuwa siya.
Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y makasing mo kami. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y makasing mo kami. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y makasing mo kami. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y makasing mo kami.